Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee logging problem. To do this, first go to your phone setting, scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Telegram application. Scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, and now go back and go to your Play Store. Now search for Telegram. Now update your Telegram application. Now open your app and now try again to log in your Telegram account. Now enter your Gmail account. Now get the verification code from your Gmail. And now get the code from your phone number. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If this method still doesn't work for you, then you can go to your Play Store and install any VPN and connect to any other country's location. Thank you.